Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. This is a requested video that I'm going to be doing. It is a tutu themed baby shower water bottle label. The colors were peach, gold, and burgundy. And y'all, let me tell y'all, when I heard these colors, I'm like, what the heck? Oh my gosh, how am I going to do this? But I first started off with going to Google and of course looking at invitations. Like I said, invitations always give you an idea of where to go with anything. Chip bags, tags, any kind of labels, invitations will pretty much get you there. So I typed in tutu themed baby shower invitations, which like I said is where I got my idea from and direction. This one said little girls are just too cute. I thought that was adorable. So I immediately was like, okay, I'm taking that and I'm going to use it. Now, when a customer requests custom items, I always do 3 examples. I'm going to be doing the third one on camera, to show you guys. But these were the other 2 that I came up with. Now, for this third one, I'm going to use a little bit more burgundy in it, but I always do 3 different options. That way the customer, has, some options to choose from. And also I wanted to do 3, to give her some ideas and some inspiration for when she's actually doing this herself. So, okay. First, go to insert, go to shapes. Of course, you go to rectangle. And the water bottle label has to be 2 by 8. So, yeah, 2 by 8. And I'm just going to go ahead and shape fill, make this whole thing burgundy. I'm going to get rid of the outline. Now, I'm not going to leave this like this. This is way too much burgundy. Excuse me, guys. Goodness. I'm going to add in another shape. I'm going to add in another shape if this thing ever come up. Okay. Rectangle. Oh, my Jesus. Lord, why? Fix it. Okay. Insert. Go down to shapes. Rectangle. Now let's see if this thing will work. Okay. Now we have our box. Jesus. And I want this to be just like 2 under the other one. So yeah. So I'm 1.8 by 7.8. Then I need to even it, which that's perfect. Now I'm going to fill that in by going to shape fill. And I'm not going to use any of these swatches. I'm going to add in a picture. And for my backgrounds, I Google everything. Everything for my backgrounds. Like I said, your choice of words is everything. I'm gonna try this one. And I actually did Google, oh goodness, let's get rid of that outline. Oh, okay, that's much better. I actually did Google in like peach pattern backgrounds. I actually did Google that, which this is the first one that I chose. I really like that one. And then this one was the second one that I chose. That's the one that I'm using right now. So if it's a certain color, be sure to put it in your search everything if you need to. Okay. Now this little girl, I actually purchased her from Etsy. I actually did because if you try to look her up, I mean you can find her on Google, but you can't download her on Google. Like they got all their little watermarks and everything. I mean, I could do it, but y'all, that's too much work. That is way too much work. Okay, so let's add some text in. I want to all capitalize. Little. What is the thing? Little girls are just, yeah, okay, I think that's it. But that's the tricky part when doing like certain requests and then the customer wants certain colors. It's hard to get them just right because you know, everybody's color shows up different from, you know, laptop to phone or whatever they're using. It shows up completely different. One time I went back and forth with this customer. I believe it was probably about a good 20 times trying to get a certain color to the point where I was just like, look, your computer screen is different from my computer screen. We're never going to be able to get the same exact color. We're just not going to do it. So, yeah. So, what am I doing? I'm getting so goddamn sidetracked. Okay. Anywho, I want this narrow. No bold. Oh, goodness. Now, why'd you do that? Okay. Okay, that looks good. Now I want to insert the bows and the pearls. So I'm going to pretty much make this like the top one, but just with burgundy. So, yeah. Okay, now as you can see, the bow has the white background. So to take out the white background, make sure you're clicked on your image, go to Format, Recolor, go down to where you see Set Transparent, and then a little pencil will show up, and you just click on the white, and as you see, it is gone. Okay, so let's shrink that down. Okay, that looks about good. Then let's shrink this down. Way down. Okay, that looks about good. All right, let's get that up on that bow real quick. Bam! And now we want to group this together. That way it does not come off. So to do that, you hold down Control and you go ahead and start clicking on your images that you want to combine. And you'll go up here to Format and you'll see something that say Group. Click on that. And as you can see, it is now one picture, one image. Okay, so let's throw that right up here, somewhere right up there. Okay. Copy. So I'm going to put the same thing on the other side. And then let's just rotate this horizontal. That way it's now exactly the same, just, you know, face the opposite direction. And the one thing I like, I'm using Publisher right now. The one thing I do like about Publisher is that it lines up. Like, you see how that little red line appeared that pretty much showed me that it's, you know, the same as the other one or whatever. I usually do all my water bottle labels on Microsoft, actually. So this is my first time using Publisher to do a water bottle label. Copy, paste. Let's add this in here now. And for any of these, you could also add a name, like right here or here, even to, you know, just to personalize it more. You know, like I said, I'm just doing this for an example, just to give you some ideas. But let's go to the words and let me type in TUTU. Was this the same? Yeah, this was the same. Okay. Now, I do want to do this in gold letters, so shape fill, and I'm not going to add any of these swatches. I'm going to go down to the picture and from a file, and you guys can do this with pretty much any shape, any pattern. This is how you can get stripe letters, polka dot letters. Where am I going? I'm doing gold. See, I can't do two things at once. I can't talk and then that's not working. Okay. So, come on, gold. Okay, here we are. And I believe this is the one I used. Bam, that looks cute. Now, just to show it just a little bit more, I added a peach outline so that it stands out. But I think that looks really cute. Super cute. Okay. Shrink it up a little bit. Okay. Now let's insert cute, and let's do this in the fancy font. The scripts. Okay. And then you can do the same thing over here, or you can add in tutus. I mean, it's a lot that you could do if you wanted to. Yeah. Let me go ahead and copy this and put it. What are you doing? Okay. Copy. Paste. I personally like the one with the burgundy trim around it. I think this one looks really nice. And if that the gold is too light, like I said, it's all about the pictures that you choose to download. So if that gold wasn't the right, like me, I have I think like 2 or 3 different gold glitters like downloaded or saved to where I got some options. See, yeah, here we go. Like I have all these different color of glitters to choose from. Let's go with this one. Let's see what this one looks like. See, and then that one's darker. I don't like it, but let's just see what a solid gold color look like. Too far. Let's see. Yeah, let's just see what maybe that look like. Okay, see that's not bad either. That looks pretty good to me. Did it outline? Am I just not seeing the outline? Let me see. Oh, okay, it outlined. It was just very, very light. Okay. Yeah, but either one of those looks good to me. Yeah, you can do either one of those. Looks fine. Could even do it, but on this. Let's see. Let's change this photo in the background. Let's see. Need my little clicker. Okay. Change picture. Yeah, let's see what the other gold thing would look like if we changed it. Hmm. How did it zoom out? I don't know. Okay, but that's what that look like now. Yeah, I like the sparkle better. That sparkle looked a lot better. So undo that, please. Okay. Yeah, see, that looks a lot better. But I hope I gave you some ideas to help you with making the label. Yeah, these were some crazy colors. uh but if you have any more questions, please feel free to ask. If there's, something else you would like me to show or to go further into detail with, I will do so. And as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.